Welcome back to Afternoon Live. Spring has arrived, so joining us now with her must-have spring essentials.
Yep, SOS Serum stands for Save Our Scalp. It's a lightweight, clinically tested treatment. It has Haitian Black Castor Oil and Redensil, and that promotes thicker and fuller hair with biotechnology. SOS Serum is a powerful growth formula. It stimulates your stem cells to create new follicles and boost growth. Haitian Black Castor Oil helps with circulation and omega-6 and 9. Glycerin strengthens your hair with collagen, and kombucha black tea, believe it or not, that actually balances pH and soothes inflammation. So lots of names you recognize. The serum is $42, and you can find it at KreyòlEssence.com and in store at Ulta Beauty.
I love it all. Stephanie, thank you so much for sharing your picks with us today.
Happy spring.
We'll be right back with more Afternoon Live right after this.